20 July 2026 was the day the biggest protest in the world so far took place in Delhi, India. And now this protest is turned into a revolution and is still continuing. I will explain everything in just minutes, so watch till end. Actually, India's Chief Justice Suryakant called unemployment youth cockroach. As a joke, the youth created an Instagram page called Cockroach Janata Party. Then one of India's biggest exam, the NEET paper, was leaked. Apart from this, many other exam papers were also leaked. Paper leak had been happening for years. And because of NEET paper exam leak, 12 students have also died by suicide. These incidents left students extremely frustrated. On 6 June, Abhijit Dipke, the founder of Cockroach Janata Party, came to India from America and started a protest. They began demanding the resignation of Education Minister.
Education Minister must resign. 5 students have committed suicide.
They continued protest for weeks, but government did not give any response. Then on 28 June, Sonam Wangchuk, one of India's most famous engineer, who had contributed a lot to the country, came forward to support the protest. But even then the government did not respond. After that, Sonam Wangchuk started a hunger strike. Many professionals also came forward to support him. When Sonam Wangchuk hunger strike reached 19 days, the situation is starting becoming so serious. Then the police illegally brutally removed Sonam Wangchuk from the protest site. After seeing this, people anger increased so much that on 20 July they started the biggest protest. The protesters began marching toward parliament. But during this, the police illegally brutally carried out a baton charge on the protesters. Watching this baton charge made it seem like India was no longer a democratic country but had become a dictatorship. Seeing all this event, the people across India turned against the government. And even now the protest is still continuing. I think this protest is absolutely right. Because as you know, a country can only be changed through education. And many leaders in India government are uneducated and corrupt. So in my opinion, this protest is justified. But what do you think about it? Let me know your opinion in the comment.